You all know about the string, right? You can use a single or double quotes for string. But if there is a confusing case for the compiler, like having an apostrophe symbol and also having single quotes, then the compiler will give an error. In this case, we have to use double quotes. Also, you can use the backslash. It tells the compiler that immediately after this, whatever it is a string. Then we have dot string interpolation. Dot string interpolation is a very simple thing. We can use this dollar symbol and second brackets like this. You can do anything inside it. And we can string concatenate simply like this. Here are some string methods and properties. We can use to uppercase, lowercase, or you can check if the string contains anything or not, and many more. So, what are you waiting for? Check out this and let me know if you have any issues.